I've got a young family. I've stopped making excuses why I, for example, can't get back in time. You know, the little things, bath time, you know, whatever it is, I just do it now. I was made aware of ActionCOACH, and I started on that journey with them, which has been pretty good. I'm doing things that I haven't done for many years, things that you were taught as be it a graduate or the textbooks, that you've never really managed to bring to life through your career. It's just re-engaging with those things that it's been good fun. I suppose that nervousness of opening up to what your potential gaps, what you believe your failures are, but it's absolutely the opposite. Yeah, it's about the development, learning, and having fun doing that, and then the positive effect that can have to your business and those around you, both I suppose personally and professionally. So there's been a huge focus around structure, so time management, planning. I now have the ability to work on the business, yeah, not in the business. So, you know, I spent a career working within operations, yeah, it's getting stuff done. The role and the business that we have now, my role is about working on the business to make sure it's fit and secure for the future. One thing I haven't done for a long time is read. It might seem very silly, but I've started reading again. Yeah, I've seen some great workshops, some great presentations from people ActionCOACH have brought in. I was listening to and seeing a presentation yesterday. It's great. I ordered 3 books off the back of it. Yeah, I just wouldn't have been doing that this time last year, and I feel a lot better for it. Obviously, your coach leads you and tries to hold you to account to those elements, but obviously if there is needs of, you know, myself, or I'm identifying gaps, that's what we'll work on. Yeah, so it's not always the financial benefit. It might be the culture of the business. It might be the work-life balance. It might be, you know, God, you know, you need to get a bit fitter. Right, we'll get on with it. We've just finished our second quarter, so I think from a cash-in perspective, the structures, the people element, myself, getting myself into the work on again, you know, that will pay off in the next sort of 1 to 2 quarters. It's about profitability, it's about sustainability for me, it's about viability of the business for the future. You know, having the right strategy. You've got to be current, you've got to be in the right place, and it's as much about that it's not just about standing still. You've got to be fit for the next 5, 10, 15 years. Try it. What's the harm in an hour, 2 hour, a day of your time? The worst you're going to lose is a bit of time. I can guarantee you'll get some content, you'll get something out of it that you're going to use. You know, why not?